them.
Yeah, started off pretty well. And Manoj Tiwari started off with the new ball. To see run out early on, misunderstanding, got an early wicket. The heroes. Sakib was doing pretty well. Sharad was the fielder. But then some lovely batting, good striking. And some misfields really helped the Bulldozers score. That's exactly what they wanted. Then with some lovely shots. Pradeep also was in great touch. And some majestic hitting. Some big hitting coming from the Bulldozers. Very important for them to utilize the middle overs. This was again a very good catch, good keeping. And the run was the bowler. Lovely bat flow from the batsman.
Absolutely, Ajay. You know, Ajay, Pradeep and Rajiv hit very straight through the line. You know, this is what they're required for here. A cameo from Sudeep. Good cameo. And you see lots of boundary conceded by Mumbai Indians. That's a sweep from slot sweep. Sudeep hitting into the boundary line. This is where the incident happened.
Sudeep finished the things in style. They were pretty happy, the Bulldozers fan, and then both the openers came in. They had different ideas. Really well. Sakib looked in very good touch. Jay as well was not far behind. Had a very important first wicket partnership of 77. They had a great foundation, both the openers. They were drawing all the books and they were really putting things off very nicely. Lovely stroke play, matching stroke with stroke, complementing each other. Fantastic to watch. And then this happened. A very good catch. That turned the match. This wasn't very sure, but that was neatly taken. The ball was tipping. Got an easy catch. In the next over, Jay also falling. So both the openers falling very quickly. And the pressure was just coming back on the heroes. After that, they lost wickets very quickly. Sharad Kelkar as well, playing on inside edge. Bowling was spot on. Chandan looked very impressive. And Apur Lakhia as well couldn't last long. When once again mentioned about the catching, which was pretty good. Some lovely catching. Navraj Hans tried to play those big shots. And then some misunderstanding. Times few streaky singles coming in. And no need for the second run. Sudeep doing the rest. Raj Hans had not too many options left, and that was again a very good catch taken to deep. The wickets at that stage were tumbling. Some lovely catching. And Sohail Khan as well. Gundu Maj playing across the line. And really things were looking very, very bleak at that stage for the heroes. Manoj as well, Gundu Maj, Varun Badola walking back, and Bulldozers having a very fine win, winning by 25 runs. So this is how the game panned out. Karnataka Bulldozers batting first, win the toss, 125 for 3 in 10 overs. Mumbai Heroes 100 for 8, had a fantastic start, a flying start, but then just losing their way. And Karnataka winning this one.
And it's presentation time. The atmosphere absolutely gets electric when it comes to CCL T10 Blast. That's powered by Bharti Cement and of course mobile partners Carbon Smart in association with Big C and Honor Homes. What a fantastic contest we've seen here today between the Karnataka Bulldozers and the Mumbai Heroes. This is the only game that we've seen so far in the CCL T10 Blast where both teams went on to cross a 100-run mark. But in the end, it's the Karnataka Bulldozers who've prevailed, winning this by 25 runs. In the presentation party, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to welcome once again Mr. Sohail Khan, the owner of Mumbai Heroes, the very beautiful Ms. Daisy Shah, who's here with us. Also, none other than Manoj Tiwari, a man who's as eloquent as ever when it comes to expressing himself in political debates as he is in front of camera. Also, we have Pranita, a very well-known actress here with us. Pleasure to have you here with us, ma'am. Of course, from the Karnataka Bulldozers. Then, of course, a warm welcome to Narayana from Carbon Mobile. And last but definitely not the least, Mr. Prasad Sarwana, the chairman of Innovative Film City. Pleasure to have you here with us, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, it's time to announce the award for the Carbon Kamal catch. And that goes to Rajiv from the Karnataka Bulldozers. He's a happy man, isn't he? Can we get Rajiv to come up? Congratulations. You will get your award from the Carbon Mobile distributor, Mr. Narayana. Many congratulations. Well, he's a happy man, isn't he? Well done, Rajiv. He's got the smile of a winner's team as well. Before I announce the man of the match and I have a word with the two captains, I'm going to have a quick word with Mr. Manoj Tiwari as well, sir. You carrying an injury today? Let's see that. How's the finger? How's the hand?
It's broken, fracture.
Fractured. आप फिर भी उसके बावजूद रुके नहीं.
नहीं रुकना तो है नहीं, न हम रुकेंगे, न सीसीएल रुकेगा, न कर्नाटका रुकेगा, न तेलुगु रुकेगा.
पर एक बात बताइए, जिस तरह की एंटरटेनमेंट सीसीएल लेकर आती है अपने सभी फैंस के लिए, ना सिर्फ स्टैंड्स के अंदर बड़े इतने सारे फैंस जो टेलीविजन स्क्रीन्स पर इन सब सितारों को क्रिकेट खेलते हुए देख रहे हैं उनको.
दिस इज स्पेशल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी. सारा देश एक स्टेडियम में है. आंध्रा है, तेलंगाना है, तमिल, मलयालम, कन्नड़, भोजपुरी एंड पंजाबी. नवराज फ्रॉम पंजाब, सोहेल सर ने, भले हमारी टीम नहीं है लेकिन इन्होंने मुझे और नवराज हंस को, हमारी भोजपुरी और पंजाब को बुलाया. सोहेल का दिल बहुत बड़ा है और हम अप्रैल में फिर से रॉक करेंगे. बट ये पूरा देश एक जगह खेल रहा है. दिस इज़ ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस. हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, ये हमारी सबसे बड़ी सफलता है.
क्या बात, क्या बात. We all know the man who's got such a lot of love for sport. He loves boxing, I know that for sure. Mr. Sohail Khan, but he's backed so many different teams across leagues. I think credit to this man for what he's done. Thank you so much, Sohail. And as Mr. Tiwari said, bada dil, bade muscle to hum dekh chuke hain. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now time to announce the award for the man of the match. And that, of course, a fantastic effort is what it was. For the man who scored the runs as well, went on to get 44. And then went on to pick a wicket as well. Pradeep, can you have you step forward? The man of the match today. And of course, I'd request Mr. Prasad Sarvana, the chairman of the Innovative Film City, to present that award as well. The man of the match. Congratulations, Pradeep. I'll have a quick chat with you as well. When the innings break came on, I said 44 for you, and you said you weren't batting for that 50, you were batting for the team.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to dedicate this man of the match to the man here, Dhruv. We miss you, Dhruv. Yeah, 44. Should have got it in quick 20 or 22 balls, but I took a lot of time. But I guess those 44 runs accumulated and helped the team.
Well, many congratulations. And yes, we love the sentiment that not just you, but the entire team of the Karnataka Bulldozers has expressed this season. Remembering Dhruv, well, our heart goes out and may his soul rest in peace.
And I also like to dedicate this to my coach, G.K. Anil Kumar.
Well, many congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, the man of the match, Pradeep, for a fantastic batting effort. Going to have a quick word with the two captains. I'll first and foremost call up the captain of the losing side. That, of course, Varun Badola. Varun from the Mumbai Heroes. We've got Mr. Sohail Khan here. I'm going to talk to the two of you at this moment because just join in. I thought 77 for that opening wicket stand, and I'm going to ask Sohail this. You had the match by the scruff of its neck, and then where did it slip away?
No, it was a very good, very big score that the Bulldozers put up. Yes, Saqib and Jai played a tremendous game. But I think the team was always under pressure. And, you know, though they played extremely well and they're trying to keep up the run rate, but to chase such a score that they put up, it's extremely difficult because you constantly have to have the average of 12 to 14. And, you know, this team as a team, I think they bat very well, they field very well. If you see the catches that they've taken in the boundary, and genuinely catches win matches. And around 4 catches were meant to go for 6s, and they caught at the boundary line. That put our team into pressure.
Well, yes, the Karnataka Bulldozers were smart in the outfield as well. But Varun, when you had 125 on the board, 126 to chase down, what was the mood in the camp like?
See, you don't have very many options. You have to go for the score. That's what we did. And to tell you frankly, 2 overs when we bowled and 2 overs when we batted, they made the whole difference. So we almost gave away 15-2 and lost 2 wickets, but could not score much in the 2 middle overs.
Well, hard luck today, but I think it was great entertainment, and everyone who was watching back home on their TV sets and everyone here at the stadium loved the performance of both teams.
Yeah, we are actually learning this format. And believe you me, we are going to get better at this.
Looking forward to that. Thank you so much for joining us, Varun, and thanks for all the entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain of the losing side, Mumbai Heroes, Varun Badola. We had a word with Mr. Sohail Khan as well. Time now to call up the winning captain, Kicha Shradeep. There's obviously going to be a cheer in the stands whenever you step up. Kicha, first and foremost, you took a body blow, quite literally, while keeping wickets. Weren't wearing that chest guard today like yesterday, were you?
Suddenly I realized after playing the match, I was covering my friend's photograph. So I just wanted him to be out.
Sentiment and a strong one at that. But as they say in Hindi movies, they always say, "Mard ko dard nahi hota." That's exactly what happened to Kicha Shradeep also.
Dard hua.
Dard hua. Okay. Just letting you know, heroes are humans as well. But Kicha, smart batting effort, first by your team, and then you had all the important catches, as Sohail said.
See, I guess first of all, if there is going to be a good game out there, behind every game there has to be intentions which is right. The intention should be a CCL which you go forward, and the intention should be amongst the friends we are playing. The moment we start playing against each other as rivals, I don't think we can ever play cricket again. And I love this gentleman standing here. He may be playing for Mumbai, but for me, he will be like a captain to my team. He says something, we will do it. That's the respect we have. And I think today I was enjoying Mumbai hitting us. I've never seen them do it. Something's gone wrong with them today. They just come out, and I didn't expect that. I mean, if we had expected this, I think probably another 24 runs we required. Suddenly they made us feel like as though 125 was too small. And I think one more over, if they had gone, I would have walked up to Sohail and said, "Sohail, bhai, there is 10 overs. Don't humiliate us like this." But I think it's all in the game, and look at this gentleman. He smiles whenever we win, and I think we smile when they play. That's how it goes between us.
Well, it's celebrities, camaraderie, and of course, cricket as well. And there's one frame that I'll remember and I'll walk away with, is the two of you hugging when he came out to bat. Kicha, many congratulations today, and thank you, Sohail and Kicha, for putting this all together and for entertaining the fans.
ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, I want to thank every team of all the industries for one reason, that we lost a player this year, but then every team remembered him, loved him, and sent their messages. So I want to thank them on behalf of his family and everybody, to entire team who remembered Dhruv. And Dhruv, wherever you are, we love you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kicha. Thank you so much, everyone in the presentation party. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it from the presentation area. It's back to the commentary box.